Hello everyone, and in this video I will walk you through the process of opening an international student account with Lloyds Bank. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So without further ado, let's dive in. Firstly, launch any preferred web browser and search for lloydsbank.com, and in the search bar type student current account. Click enter and scroll a little bit to student current account. Click on it, and at this point scroll down to find an eligibility checklist ensuring you meet the basic requirements such as being 17 or older, a UK resident for over 3 years, and currently enrolled in a university. Once you have confirmed your eligibility, proceed by clicking on Apply for a Student Current Account. You'll be redirected to the account creation page. Provide a curated answer to the questions presented and then move on the next step. Enter your postal code and address and click Continue. Share your study details and household information confirming the availability of your credential. Since you are creating a new account, select New and click Continue without switching. Scroll to the bottom, click the terms and submit your application. And there we have it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.